everyone, my name is Ruchita and welcome to Kitchen Mumbai to London. I have got Zai with me here today. She's going to help me in my cooking. So the dish that we're going to make today is called as kombdi vade. These kombdi vades are a kind of puris that are prepared using all kinds of flours. Traditionally in the coastal part of Maharashtra, these kombdi vades are served with some chicken curry or prawn curry or even a mutton curry, but it's not compulsory at all. Just because of the name, everyone feels that they are made out of chicken, that is kombdi, but that's not at all true. They are just kind of puris. I'm going to show you an instant method to make these kombdi vades. So without wasting any further time, let's start making kombdi vade. The ingredients to make kombdi vade are 1/4 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of urad dal soaked in water for overnight, 2 cups of rice flour, half a cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of jawar flour, some ginger, garlic and coriander paste, turmeric powder, haldi, 1 medium-sized grated onion, some cumin powder and some methi seeds powder, salt to taste. And we'll also need some warm water to knead the dough. So the first step to make a kombdi vade is that we have to grind this soaked chana dal and soaked urad dal into a fine paste. This is what the chana dal and urad dal paste looks like. Now we're going to start kneading the dough. So for that, in a big thali or a bowl, take 2 cups of rice flour. To this add half a cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of jawar flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ginger, garlic and coriander paste, the grated onion, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Then add in the chana dal and the urad dal paste. Add some salt to taste. And then mix everything well. We have to knead the dough, so we are going to use this water very little at a time. And we have to make a dough. And the dough should not be too soft. Take some oil. Our dough is ready. We have to cover this dough for at least 1 hour, and then we will make our kombdi vade from it. So my dough had been resting for an hour or so, and this is how it looks. So before making the kombdi vades, I've taken oil in a deep frying pan, and I have kept my flame on the low setting, and I'm going to let this oil heat up for deep frying. First, I'm going to make small balls out of it. Like this, and then keep it aside. So all my small balls are ready, and I've got this plastic freezer bag, so you can use any plastic to be fair. I'm going to grease it with some oil. Take one ball and then flatten it on this surface. You don't have to make it too thin as well. Just lightly flatten it and make sure that your hands are also greased with a little bit of oil. So our kombdi vades, I've flattened them out, and this is ready to go in the oil. So I'm going to pick this up like this and place my kombdi vada into this hot oil like this. Puffing up so well. Just turn it over, and that's one kombdi vada done. Take this out. So all my kombdi vadas are ready, and you can see almost all of them have puffed up. You just have to have some patience while you're frying them, and they just look amazing. I'm serving these kombdi vadas today with some drumstick and aubergine curry. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope you like this recipe. Zai, how is it?
Yes, Dad.
So while Zai is enjoying her,
Yummy.
and yes, I forgot to mention that this recipe, kombdi vada recipe, was requested by my old friend and my hostel mate Manjusha. So Manjusha, नक्की ही recipe try कर आणि मला सांग कशी वाटली तर. Stay healthy, stay safe, and do try this recipe. I am sure you will like it. Do not forget to like, share, comment on my YouTube videos, and subscribe to Kitchen Mumbai to London. So thank you so much, and I shall see you soon. Till then, bye.